welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are well. Today I have a cleaning haul video whereby I show you guys all the products that I have. This is it right here, and I have some more right here. So these are products that I use on the daily, but I found out about Mrs. Hinch. So if you guys have never heard about Mrs. Hinch before, she's on Instagram. She is such a cleaner. Like, she cleans her house to be spotless. She is so good at what she does. So she cleans so well. So I got some inspiration from her, and I also got some products based on her recommendations. But I'm just going to share with you guys some products that I love and I can recommend, and also products that I got from her.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave.
So let's crack on. So here are a few products that I have. Number one product is this washing up liquid. So this is the Method range. I've started using this one, but this one is so good. It's lemon mint. It smells so good and it washes so well. I use it to wash my dishes. It's such a brilliant product. Another product that I love, I really love this product, is the Method Anti-Bac. I had one before. That one has finished. I got this one recently. This is the Wild Rhubarb. This is so good. It smells so nice. I really love Method range. I think I even prefer Method than Zoflora. Don't get me wrong, I love the Zoflora, but I actually love Method as well. Next product is this spray bottle. So this is a spray bottle from IKEA. I use it for my Zoflora. So this one is the Zoflora bouquet scent. So this is concentrated, so I pour some Zoflora into this bottle and then I dilute it with some water and then just spray. That fell on the chair. The next product I would recommend is this Squeegee. So I use this to clean my windows. This is really good. My windows and my mirrors, I use the Squeegee and it's fantastic. I got this one from Poundland. Okay, so this one, I love Lenore Unstoppables. So this one makes my clothes smell so good. I use it in the drum of my washing machine. So when I put all my laundry in the washing machine, and then I put some like maybe a cup full or half of this cup, I pour like half of the cup into that and into the drum of the washing machine, and it smells so good. It makes all my clothes smell so good. And you could actually sprinkle a few of these in your wardrobe. It makes your clothes smell good as well. I really like that. That's one of my favorite Lenore Unstoppables products. So this one right here, I've never tried this before, but this one was recommended by Mrs. Hinch. So I've never tried this before, but I'm going to do a video showing you guys how this cleans my rug and my carpets. So it's basically a carpet stain remover. I've got this monochrome IKEA La Planche rug in my living room, so I'm going to try this on the rug and I'm going to see how it works. I pray it works well, because I'm going to do a review about this product. I'm going to share it with you guys so you guys can know if you guys want to buy it or not. So this one is a carpet stain remover and it was recommended by Mrs. Hinch. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be a good product. Yeah. So another product I have is the Zoflora range. This one I've had it for quite a while now. This is Hello Spring. It's another good product. I like Zoflora, you know. I use it to freshen my carpets or my chair or just the whole house, to be fair. This one, I've had this for quite a while now. I always like getting this all-purpose cloths, so I just use it to clean off, you know, around the house, dust everywhere. And sometimes I use it when I'm cooking. I use it to clean my hands. It's just a pack of 10. This one I got it from Tesco, yeah. So this one is from Tesco. It's just a pack of 10. It's really handy to have like a set of, you know, disposable wipes. This one is just a microfiber cloth. I've had this one for quite a very long time now. So it's just a basic microfiber cloth. I use it to clean everywhere, clean the kitchen, you know, it's always so handy to have. Another product that I recommend is the pestle. I'm not quite loyal to one particular brand of detergent. I basically try all the brands. I've used Fairy, I've used Tesco brand, I've used Asda, I've used Pestle, but I always like non-bio anyway. I always try to get non-bio detergents because of the kids' clothes. I don't want them to react. They've got sensitive skin, so I use Pestle non-bio or any non-bio detergents. So this one is really handy, you know, for my washing machine, for my washing. I always like to use that. And then this one is Lenore. So this is the Lenore Spring Awakening. This one was recommended by Mrs. Hinch. She uses it in her washing machine. So this one is just a fabric softener, and she also has this handy trick whereby she pours like a cupful into water, and then she uses it to freshen her sofa, freshen her rug, and some of her clothing. You know, it's really good, really handy. So that's what I got this one for, just to freshen up and make stuff nice. And then the last product I have in my cleaning products is this Ace. So this is the Ace. It removes stains, it cleans hygienically, and also it eliminates odors. So this one is the Ace brand, and I've never tried this brand before, so I was really excited to try it actually. Mrs. Hinch also recommended this one for washing your clothes and stuff. So I tried out my recent washing, and I noticed my whites were actually whiter. So I think this is a very good brand to have. Yeah, so Ace. So that's everything I have in my cleaning haul. Mrs. Hinch, again, if you haven't heard about Mrs. Hinch, go check that lady out. I'm going to leave a link to her Instagram in my description box, so you guys go check it out if you want to know more about Mrs. Hinch. She's amazing. She cleans so well. Like, I thought she had OCD, but she doesn't. But she cleans so well, and I just get inspired and motivated to clean my house each time I watch her Instagram accounts. So guys, go check her out. She's a cleaning lady. She's fabulous. And also, I've got my own cleaning stuff, so I'm going to try to match her cleaning level. Like, she's on 100, so I'm going to try to be on 101 with her. So you guys, anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you click the like button, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and also subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys. So see you next time in my next video. Bye.